She finally got her banana daiquiri.
You're crazy, madam.
Here we are cruising into St. Thomas today. All right, we just got off the ship. We're trying to find our meeting place. On this tour, it seems to always change, so make sure you're checking your text and printing out your directions. All right, we're in St. Thomas. This is one of the best tours you can do. It's in our VIATOR store. It's got 3 great stops. I'm gonna show you. I got a full video of this if you wanna see the whole thing. But right now, we're gonna do a quick tour. And when you find this sign or this sign, that's where this tour meets. All right, we're on Godfrey Tours, honey. You ready? This is like the 3rd or 4th time we did this, remember?
Yes.
Let's just get there.
We also have a local seafood restaurant here in Mandela Circle to the right.
All right, we're at our first stop. This is the shop stop. Look at all these. This is like the straw market area. Come through here.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hello.
Look at all this stuff. Over here is the St. Thomas sign that you must see. Just about everything in this straw market area. Now this stop is usually hour and a half. It tells you exactly some of the history within this town. But this is Old Town St. Thomas. A lot of this stuff they make right here on this island. All this she makes here by hand. See over there, that's where the cruise ships park. Here's Old Town. We're gonna take you through the town, and up there's where we're headed next. And you gotta come downtown. See, this is downtown St. Thomas. Isn't it beautiful? There's so many jewelry stops in here. Again, we're here for an hour and a half. It's in our VIATOR store for $40. You get a 6-hour excursion. It is the best excursion we've ever taken in any island. I tell you, it is incredible. There's no shortage of shopping in St. Thomas. Walk up downtown on this excursion, find Drake's Passage. I think these shops in here, because of these walls, are so thick through here. It's like it was a fort at one point. And they got some fantastic artwork here through Drake's Passage. We got to get to the next stop. Remember, I just want to show you the highlights here. Shop till you drop, ladies. This is the jewelry district in Old St. Thomas. There's an ice cream shop in here. It's that way. There's the Italian bistro that way. I showed you in one of my videos one of the best restaurants here. Make sure you're checking that one out. It kind of reminds me of Old San Juan every time I come on this street. Cobblestone. There's the old post office in St. Thomas. All right, here we are. Look at this architecture here. But what I want to show you up here is this yellow building. It's called Mountaintop at sea level. You can get the world famous banana daiquiri. You can get up on top of the mountain minus the views. But if you're staying in port, this might be a stop for you. Right here's where you get it. I might have to get one. She's making my daiquiri right here. Oh, and right in the parking lot, they got a smoothie place. Look at all these flavors. If you want souvenirs, come in here. Don't pay full price. It just goes on and on and on. Circle after circle of stuff. All right, we made it to the mountaintop. This is how you get up here. Now, you can take cars, taxis, whatever. But the half of the fun is taking one of these up these curvy roads. It's incredible. Look how they deck these things out. And this is the world famous Mountaintop, home of the banana daiquiri. That's a big bottle of rum right there. Oh, they got ice cream right here. Tell me this ain't fun. This is fun. There's my wife up there hanging around. All right, here we are on top of what?
Top of the mountain, St.
Top
Thomas.
of the mountain, St. Thomas. There's Megan's Bay. We're going to what beach?
Kiki?
No,
Koki.
Sapphire.
Oh, Sapphire. Yeah.
You get 3 beach choices. Megan's Bay, which is right here, Cocky or Koki, and Sapphire. This is one of my favorite stores. Every time I come to St. Thomas, I've got to go in here. There's the banana daiquiris in the back. Anything you could want. St. Thomas, Caribbean, Bahamas related is in this store. There's the world famous rum cakes. You haven't had these, you haven't had a rum cake. All right, down here, look, the logo's down here. This is where you wait in line for your banana daiquiri. Tell me these aren't worth the wait. Oh, these people can't be wrong, right? All right, this is where they're making them right back behind the bar. They always yell at me when I come back there, so be prepared. You see all the bananas up here. You're gonna see them behind this guy. Oh, the rum, the cherries. She finally got her banana daiquiri. And this is why you come here. The views. Look at this place. Yes, this is all included on the tour. Even if you're not taking this tour, you got to come up here for the overlook, the mountaintop. You can see those islands, St. John's out there, all the Caribbean islands today. And if you can see the water down here, that's Megan's Bay. You can go there on one of your stops. We're going to try something different this time. But I'm going to throw some clips in here, Megan's Bay, because it is one of the nicest beaches in the Caribbean. I tell you, is this picturesque or what in St. Thomas? It's a beautiful, very calm beach. As you can see, if you like big waves, maybe this is not where you come, but I like to just relax. And this is perfection. And I can't say enough about Godfrey here. He does a complete tour of this place. I've done his tour many times.
47 feet high above sea level.
Little Tobago, Great Tobago. There's Tortola out there. St. John to the right.
The one and only golf course here at St. Thomas. White buildings which you see above the golf course. These are condominiums for the golf course.
And make sure you're exploring out front because there's a lot of places to take your picture. Like these pirates. And come up to this overlook because you get to see the whole entrance because this place is incredible. We need to get to the beach. Laura, get down from there. This is what this place is famous for. Bananas. That's a banana leaf. Free snacks. Another stop you get on this tour, a scenic overlook. It is beautiful here. You can see the cruise ships. There's one of the overlooks of Megan's Bay, another stop along this tour. Yeah, they got a donkey up here on the mountaintop. This way is another overlook stop. Believe it or not, today there are 5 ships in St. Thomas. There's 3, and you look over here. There's the Icon over that way and another Royal Caribbean ship. Of course, my wife bought something.
My hands are You're crazy, but
Oh, you got to get off the beaten path to meet the locals, for sure.
And I give you
There's the Sapphire Beach Bar. All right, this is Sapphire Beach. Remember I said you get a choice of 3 beaches? There's Cocky, there's Sapphire, and there's Megan's Bay. I'm gonna show you around here real quick. It's a primitive beach, off the beaten path. Most people go to Megan's Bay in St. Thomas. On this tour, you get the choice of 3. This is the one we picked this day. We got videos on Megan's Bay and that part of the beach, Sapphire Beach. I don't know, I kind of like it. A lot quieter than Megan's Bay. All right, this is Sapphire. There's plenty of bars along here and all kinds of cabana rentals, chair rentals. There's the rentals. $15 beach chairs. Cabana's $50 an hour. That's pretty good. All right, this is Sapphire Beach. I want to show you this. Usually we go to Megan's Bay when we're in St. Thomas, but I had to come to this nice beach, Sapphire Beach. Let's stroll up here and show you what's here. So now they do have rentals here, chair rentals. I saw some beach toys up here. The water is beautiful in here, and you talk about private. Megan's Bay with 5 cruise ships in port is gonna be packed. Look at that mountain view out there. Stunning, right? I think he said this is the east end of the island. All right, I will tell you the sand here at Sapphire Beach is really soft. I'm swimming to that island out there. I can do it. I will tell you one thing. I don't know if it's as calm as Megan's Bay. There's a little bit of wave here action, so if you like that, you might want to try Sapphire Beach. Oh, here's the rum cocktails, pies. Build your own pizza. They got food here. It's called Paradise Pie. I can't tell if you rent these. I'm assuming you got to rent these. Actually, there's a gate here, but look at that view. There's a famous bar area. What's got my attention has got to be this guy right here playing the steel drums. Yes, we're in St. Thomas. There, we just walked that entire beach. It's not a big beach, but it's off the beaten path, so it tends to be less crowded than some of the other famous beaches. Look at all the water sports here. Wave Runner rentals out that way. I don't know what end this is, north, south end, but it is beautiful here. There it is, one of the best tours you can do in St. Thomas because it's only $40. You get all kinds of fun things to do, including the beach. It takes you up to the mountaintop, took us shopping. 6-hour tour, $40. It don't get any better than that. Now I got to get back, find my wife, and enjoy a beach day in St. Thomas. Till next time, make sure you're liking and subscribing, and follow us on Instagram. AlongForTheJourney. Let's just get out there. There's my wife and our cruise buddies.